Hi, I'm Dr. Sasha McKenzie, co-founder of The Stack. The Stack is a variable inertia speed training system that increases a golfer's club head speed. It has been used successfully by tour players at all levels, PGA Tour, the LPGA Tour, Korn Ferry Tour, as well as the European Tour, and hundreds of amateurs of all ages and abilities. So how does it work? Well, you need a few things. You need a radar that's capable of measuring club head speed without ball impact. I've got a Garmin G80 in my hand here, but we also have successfully tested models like the PRGR, Voice Caddy, and FlightScope also has several options, as does Swing Speed Radar. You also need an iOS device like an iPhone or an iPad in order to download our iOS app from the App Store, which will completely guide you through the training program. And the app will interact with this piece of hardware that I'm holding in my hand, which is a single club and 5 different CNC milled weights. And you can configure those different weights based on the app's instructions with up to 30 different mass combinations. So once you get into the app and load in your profile information, you'll be guided through a detailed intake session. Qualitative data will be gathered on your perceived strengths and weaknesses related to generating club head speed. And then you'll be piloted through a series of swing speed tests with various stack weights. So we'll have you change the weights in the stack. There'll be guided images to show you that. And that will help us generate a force velocity profile of your current swing. This data then informs AI algorithms which create custom programming options. So following the baseline session, you'll be instructed to rest for a day or two. And then the app will provide a list of customized programming options. The list will be rank ordered, starting with the program that has the greatest likelihood of increasing your club head speed over a 6 to 10 week period, about 18 to 24 training sessions. So then you'll start your first training program. During each session, the app seamlessly guides you through a sequence of configuring a specific stack weight. So an image will pop up on the screen and say, hey, load on 240 grams as example. Prompt you for speed entry, and then it will display a countdown rest timer that will guide you through your reps and sets to make sure you're getting the appropriate amount of recovery. And you can interact with the app using the hands-free data technology that we have. So you can simply look at the radar, read off the speed, and the app will listen to your voice, and that will be entered automatically. $131.
Swing 6 was 131.
The app also keeps track of your top speeds with each particular weight and will inform you of your previous best during the workout. So if you happen to swing at 102 miles per hour with 240 grams loaded on the stack in your first training session, it will let you know during your second session that that's your record with the 240, 102 miles per hour. If you top your previous best, so if you swing faster than 102 miles per hour, then the app will give you a well-deserved cheer. So this is all very, very motivating. The app also tracks key performance metrics such as E-speed, which translate a stack speed into driver speed, and distance potential, as well as a grit score, which is based on your rest and recovery data, how closely you adhere to the rest and recovery times that the app is suggesting. After each workout, the app will update the home screen with new metric values and will display the optimal time window for you to do your next workout. After you complete the training program, you'll be asked to then perform a progress check. And the app will reassess you and reformulate a new program for you to begin in a couple of weeks after you've recovered from the first training program. And data captured along the way will improve the intelligence of the STACK algorithm using AI techniques. So we've got hundreds of golfers training using the system, and we're constantly tweaking and improving our programming to make sure that we're giving each individual the best possible program. So there is also a pre-round speed priming option. Pre-round speed priming is designed to be used before a competitive round of golf to potentiate your neuromuscular system. It both maximizes your speed potential for that day, as well as allows you to attain your preferred on-course speed with less perceived effort. This priming session, can also be used if you choose to kind of interrupt your current speed training program with a competitive tournament. So you can kind of pause your program and complete this session before or after your round, and that will keep the momentum going even though you might not be performing your regular programmed speed training sessions. It kind of bridges the gap. So that's an overview of the STACK speed training system.